If you teach on a period-based schedule, you know the cognitive load of constantly checking the time. Opening Obsidian or your calendar app just to figure out how many minutes are left in your current class is friction you don't need. You need to know what's now and what's next instantly. Instead of context switching, I built this. It's a native macOS menu bar utility that tells me exactly what class I am teaching, what's next, and how many minutes remain. But here is the architectural advantage. I don't type this data into a new app. This utility quietly reads the markdown files if it was already sitting in my local Obsidian vault. Because it parses your local frontmatter, it doesn't just run the menu bar, it acts as a bridge to Apple's ecosystem. Write your lesson plan once in Obsidian, and the PlanWell sync utility pushes it directly to your iCloud calendar in the background. If you shift a class to third period in your vault, your iPhone and Apple Watches update almost instantly. Here is how the data model works. Each class or event remains a standard markdown file. You define a simple YAML frontmatter with the date and the period, point PlanWell to your vault directory, and it maps those files to a visual timeline. There is no proprietary database and no cloud server lock-in. You own the text files. PlanWell just visualizes them. And for the automation geeks, the app now fully supports URL schemes. This means you can trigger a background calendar sync directly from your own bash scripts, Raycast extensions, or even have a local AI agent push updates to your schedule without ever touching the UI. You can test this exact data model right now for free. The PlanWell web app lets you validate your markdown schema and view your timeline in the browser. But if you want native macOS performance, the menu bar timer, background iCloud sync, and URL scheme support, I packaged the Mac utility as a one-time purchase. No $10 a month SaaS subscriptions. Just a flat $4.99 lifetime license. Use the web app link in the description to see if the logic fits your brain, or grab the native Mac app from the App Store link below to automate your schedule.